Yay! I get to go to Chuck E. Cheese's and win tickets.
Hey, my name is Sally and I am going to narrate this episode. One day, Caillou was sitting in his new bedroom because the old one became an office, and he was browsing some good old memes.
This is so funny, ha ha ha. Let's see what's trending on YouTube. So first we have fidget spinners, and now it's
Frickin' Gallium fidget spinners.
now I just gotta get in the biz.
This gave Caillou an idea.
Oh wait, that gives me an idea. I am going to make a Gallium fidget spinner.
So Caillou began his quest online by checking out Amazon. After that, little Caillou waited and waited and waited and waited some more until finally,
Oh, go. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking going to get it. Just be patient.
and so Caillou went to get the door.
Hi, my name is Bill and I'm going to narrate the rest of this cartoon, because Sally has a lunch break.
Go animate logic activate.
First Caillou spread out the plasticine, then he used the fidget spinner for the mold. Then he put the bearings in the circles. After that he dumped the gallium in the water to let it melt. And then he sucked up the gallium with a syringe, poured out the excess water, and he poured the gallium in the mold. And that is how you can make a gallium fidget spinner. But perhaps the redundant part is how you need a fidget spinner to make a fidget spinner.